First thing first, I am not a doctor. Make sure you go check out CDC's website for updates. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I know that we are all probably freaking out over this having to wear a mask for essential workers. I am an essential worker, so therefore I had to make a mask for me and my family. And this is just a cheap, easy DIY way that you can make your family this mask. I just wanted to share this with my friends on YouTube. These were already some items that I already had at home. You either can use some fabric, a pillowcase, t-shirts, or a bandana. You need 2 hair ties, a coffee filter, some measuring tape, some scissors, and I advise you to get a hot glue gun, but it's not needed, just to keep it secure. Now what I'm doing here is I'm basically just measuring out my measurement. I really didn't measure anything at first, but I did measure it for sake of the video, just in case you wanted to know. But I advise you to just get a big piece of fabric, and then you can always just cut it as needed. Okay, so now let's get started. So now I have flipped my fabric over. I am putting my hair tie over one end, and I'm going to put my other hair tie on the other end. These need to be at least a good bit apart so that you can fit that coffee filter inside of there. Now for kids, you can bring the elastic closer for kids face mask. Now I'm going to place the coffee filter inside of the actual bandana in between the elastic. Now I had to actually cut my coffee filter for my son's face mask because it was a little bit too big. Now as you can see, I am folding one side in, and I am going to put a little hot glue on it just to keep it secure so it won't keep falling. This is not necessary. You don't have to do this. This is just what I'm doing, being that I don't need time for it falling off in public or wherever I'm at. Okay, so now as you can see, I am struggling a little bit with this hot glue gun. I'm trying to get it as secure as I can, but do what's best for you, because it always can be fixed in the end if, just to, finish those rough edges up. So now you want to fold the other side in the middle and actually put some hot glue on that to secure that side as well. Now I did add some extra hot glue to the bottom and top of my face mask. Again, you don't have to do this. You can just always fold the bottom and top under at the end. So there you have it, a DIY face mask, cheap, quick, and easy. Now I did have trouble with my mask actually coming off my ears. It wouldn't stay on, but I was able to fix that by cutting my hair ties in half and adding some extra elastic on each one and just wrapping it around the back of my head. So do what's best for you, what is comfortable for you, and I hope that this helps you and your family. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.